just a couple pros to detailing a Tesla. If this Tesla and any of the Teslas, they're super simple, very simple. They're made really simple. I mean, you have your center consoles, you have your steering wheels, you have your plastics. Not much to it really, you know, very simple. So it makes the cleaning process a little bit easier compared to a lot of other cars. You know, your average BMW or Mercedes or any high-end luxury cars. They come with a lot of buttons, gadgets, different nooks, crannies all around the center consoles. Makes it a little bit difficult to detail at times. So that's one benefit of detailing a Tesla. Very simple, makes the clean process a little bit easier. The cons, the carbon fibers are super thin. They are really hard to vacuum up, and that goes with the pull-out carpets and the bottom layer carpets. That's con number one, really thin carbon fibers. Con number two, the plastics are really a little bit cheap. They're not really made really strong. So if you dirty them up, it's going to be a little difficult to clean. Okay? That's con number two, cheap plastics, okay? And that goes for every Tesla model, even the X's, even the S's. All right, they come apart pretty easily. I've noticed some of the door seals come up on some of them. This Model X is probably one of the higher quality ones, so I haven't seen too much mess ups on these, but oh, here it goes. You can see this is coming apart a little bit here. And this is like not even that old. You can see this is coming apart. Kind of made a little bit cheap. So you just gotta really be gentle with a lot of this stuff. Okay. What else? Those are two cons. Also, I'll show you when I'm cleaning the paint. The exterior paint is made really cheaply as well. They have a really weak clear coat. So that's another con of detailing a Tesla.